Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chanel B. For those of you who don't know me, for those of you who do, thank you for rocking with your girl. So, as you can see by the title, baby, we're going to a pole dance class today, and I'm very excited. It's actually somebody I follow on YouTube. She's a stripper, business owner, all that great stuff. So I'm excited to see what she has to offer. If you watch Stripper Bootcamp on YouTube, the first season, she was one of the people that taught the show, and she actually taught them how to pole dance. So I know she can dance her butt off, like, so I'm ready. Y'all, I don't know if y'all know, but a lot of people know that I do pole. I used to host little pole events at my house and everything. Definitely not a pro. I just do it for fun and exercise because it's fun. Why not have fun while you're working out? So that's what we about to do. We about to get a good workout on, a good sweat, and hopefully she about to teach me some moves because it's been a while. Your girl's a little rusty. But yeah, I just thought I'd like talk to y'all for a minute before I head out to the pole dancing class. Again, I'm super excited. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Go ahead and give it a like, a subscribe, and a comment below. You feel me?
Did you sign the waiver? Climbing and stuff like that?
We gotta see.
Then you want me to demonstrate first and then?
Woo, baby. And people be like, pole in a workout, they lie. They lie. It's a whole sport out here.
Okay, look. Now, do you see the difference how that pole grip feels? Damn. Damn. Don't play with her! Yes!
I never fell off a pole before. How do you focus on one spot when you up there?
What you mean?
Like if I get dizzy.
I don't know, because I be dizzy by the time I come down.
Are you serious?
I be dizzy by the time I come down. But like, when you in a club and you performing, you can't show that you dizzy. So it's almost like, it just be like, alright, whatever.
This is not a game. It's not.
No. Because you
Yes.
left here mastering a good pole trick.
Y'all, I'm gonna get better. Watch this flip.
Yes, honey.
No, Spider-Man.
Today, like
Cap.
she did. No, she did really, really good today. That's why I did not go easy on her, because I seen where her skill level was at. She's underestimating herself. Tell her don't do that in the comment section.
She's lit, y'all. Follow her already if you don't follow her on YouTube. YouTube is
Tesa Tiara TV.
Period. Thank you, girl.
Thank you.
Okay, I just wanted to talk to y'all real quick before I got too busy. I was actually in a rush home to do an audition, so I'm finna prepare for that. But real quick, that pole dancing class was so fun. Exhausting, but fun. Like, she really put me to work, and I did not expect that. But I loved it because I needed that workout. Like, it had been 2 days since I worked out, so that was well needed. And this arm that's holding up this tripod is very sore. So I'm just switching between arms, but I'm finna go ahead and do this audition real quick. If you were just here for the poll, that's fine. I recommend you stay because I'm pretty lit. Not doing that, but yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that's what I was doing. So definitely stick around for that. Like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all enjoyed that pole dancing class and y'all want to see more videos like that, definitely thumbs up this video. Follow Tesa. She's like a lit. Like, you never know like who you're meeting as far as like YouTubers, like how their personality will be in person. She's a vibe. Like, I mess with her, and I'll definitely be attending another class.